Exciting news for tech enthusiasts. Google's latest mid-range smartphone, the Pixel 9a, is set to launch on March 19, 2025, with pre-orders starting the same day. In select European markets, Google is offering a free Google TV streamer, valued at €119, with Pixel 9a pre-orders through specific partners. This bundle enhances your entertainment experience right out of the box. Pixel 9a key features: display, 6.3-inch OLED with a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth visuals. Processor, powered by Google's Tensor G4 SoC, ensuring efficient performance. Memory and storage, 8GB RAM with options for 128GB or 256GB storage. Cameras, rear, 48MP main sensor and 13MP ultra-wide lens for versatile photography. Front, 13MP selfie camera. Battery, 5,100 mAh capacity for extended usage. Operating system, ships with Android 15, offering the latest features. Pricing. The Pixel 9a is expected to start at €549 for the 128GB model and €649 for the 256GB variant in Europe. Are you ready to experience the new Pixel 9a and enjoy the added bonus of a Google TV streamer? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Sentry Tech for the latest tech news and reviews.